What are the sounds of heaven? Find out today on a Power Minute to power up your day. The Apostle John was given a look into the throne room of God, and of course, it was full of light and glory. It was so full of sounds, not quiet sounds as it's been portrayed by religion. The throne room itself emitted lightnings, thunders, voices. Around the throne are four living creatures, each with a voice like thunder, crying day and night, "Holy, holy, holy is the Lord." And then a myriad of angels, 10,000 times 10,000 and thousands of angels sang with a loud voice, "Worthy is the Lamb." What then could be so majestic, so powerful, and so cataclysmic that it would hush heaven itself?